JQ Crafty here. I am going to show you what I'm doing for August. So, basically, I have a mess, okay? So my goal until the end of the year, so this will kind of be how I'm going to do all my videos from now on. One, I'm on a spending freeze, so I'm only going to buy adhesive when I need it, and I think I have enough. I probably won't need to. We'll see. My goal this year is to get super organized and to use up all my stuff. So I have a pile here. I have a giant pile here. These are some, there's pictures that go with all of these. These are some partially used page kits from the scrap room that I still have that are partially used that I want to use up this month for sure. Because I've already said, oh, these pictures would go really well with it. And then along with the stuff I'm going to show you, plus my Creative Cuts kit club stuff, since that's all summary too, it should work out well. Along with that stuff, and what I have here, that is what I'm going to work off for the month of August. I'm honestly hoping just to put a dent in it, and if I put a dent in it, to then organize what's left better, because right now it's just a blob, and I'll just kind of show you what I mean. But first off, I have a couple page kits because I put them together a few, last month, the month before, June, May and June maybe, hoping to get them done, and they're just ones I didn't get to. So I've got pictures and so I've got a jelly bean soup mini page kit here. This is an Echo Park. I did this entire vacation already, and I forgot I had pictures in this little kit with it. So finish that up, and that's a goal because then that vacation will be completely done. I think I have one picture I want to print yet, but that's not a big deal. So here's an Echo Park mini kit I have. Here is and this one came with stamps that I didn't realize. If I can find all the pictures of him and his tail, that was the whole point of that one. That one might get different. Simple Stories DIY Boutique, and I did not know I had stamps in there. See, this is crazy. I have all these mini kits from the scrap room that I just set aside, and I don't want to do that anymore. Look at, I have all these. Oh my gosh. Okay. So that one I want to dig into. This one's not even a partial kit. That's a full kit. This one, see, I was planning out sketches, but there's a lot of challenges going on that I'll probably do. This is Harvest Lane from Simple Stories. That one's a full kit. Yeah, and these ones I had set aside planning to do, and I just hadn't got to. This one is Little Yellow Bicycle. Who remembers them? Look at all this fun fabric stuff. And this paper, and there's vellum. So I want to do that kit. I want to scrapbook these papers. This is My Mind's Eye. Collectible, says. And it's got a lot of fun stuff, and I was planning sketches apparently as well. But I got that one. And then this is my son's birthday. I kind of set this one aside. This is a partial kit, Simple Stories, Happy Day. So I want to get his first birthday scrapbook. And this is another camper one. And I have some pictures I got to find. My mother-in-law bought a camper last year. And I know we have some pictures with it. So I need to go get that because I'm getting the cutest camping cut file from Christina in our Creative Cuts Club. So I want to do this. This is a full kit, Simple Stories Under the Stars. I want to do that one. I have this photo I want to scrapbook of my mom and dad, and then I think there's a few others in here. Yeah, there's one of each of us couples. When we did a family photo shoot the last time we did it, which was 2000. Is this 15? Yeah, probably. Yeah. So I want to get those scrapbooked. I have this beautiful cut file that I cut out already. And then this is just scraps from the last time I went to a crop. So I have those. I have this that I want to scrapbook. And then see, I have just all this leftover stuff, just leftover paper, some strips. I've got a random alpha laying around. I have a couple pictures. These I wanted to scrapbook, so I set those aside, a piece of cardstock. And so this is where it gets really chaotic. You're gonna love this. So these are all the pieces from all the other kits I've done, and they're kind of in organized fashion, kind of not. This is what I pieced my flip-flops together. This is a simple stories with this sticker sheet. This is a random kit from my whole collection. I need to organize this stuff. It is chaos. I'm gonna have a bag here. And see, I paper clipped some of it together. I've got this. I've got just enough to like do some pages, maybe with mixed media or fun stuff or cut files, which I'm getting. Or do some more cards, which is what I need to do. I've got those paper clipped together. Look at, like, that's all I have left. And it might be at the end of the month, I might be like, you know what? This isn't worth it. I'm tossing it. I already made cards of those sets. We'll see what I can do with that. Or if I think I can combine them with something else. This We Are Memory Keepers, I'm gonna shove in a bag here. Because this is beautiful and I don't want it to go to waste, but I want it to stay together. So I have all these just pieced together. So it's not junk, but it's just junk. There's just stuff. Like this is like nothing. I should probably just toss that. This is like a mini kit with some cut aparts. This I have together. This is like a mini kit. A random piece of paper. This is by itself. These I was gonna make a card with. These are all my sticker sheets that I have from other kits. And then like this. Yeah, and see ephemera. Yeah, just random stuff together. So this is my quote unquote kit for the month. This is what I need to work on. This stuff all goes together. It's a mess, I tell you. It's a mess. So this is my goal, is to make a dent in this, and if not make a dent, like literally go through it, like, is that worth keeping, is it not? Get rid of it, organize. My whole goal by the end of the year is to get super organized so that by the time of the end of the year comes, I have everything the way I want it. So I'm also going to share my tips and what I'm figuring out, what I like, and maybe it'll give you inspiration to help you organize your space better. I had this awesome emails from the Scrap Room. They did this newsletter where you got it was like 27 weeks of organization. Unfortunately, I still have the email, so at least I get like an idea of where to go and like a plan and a schedule on what I should do next and a little bit of tips and tricks. But that is it. You cannot access the information anymore. So I'm kind of like, dang it. So yeah, but I'm going to use those emails and kind of work through them. And as I work through those parts, that's what I'm going to organize. And then I'll scrap that and I'll kind of mention what I'm doing with that, if that makes sense. I'm hoping it'll make sense as I go along. See, I've got just like all these partial, like what's left over of stuff that coordinates. Look at fun frames. This. And then just like junk thrown together, but at least it's all together. That's helpful. I don't know. I know these don't go with this. These go by themselves. Is that? Some of this stuff, I don't know if it goes together. I'm just trying to piece it together. But yeah, I have all these scraps and I need to do something about it. So, and I don't know if ever the other people have a workspace that's starting to look like this. This collection. This one's so pretty. Yeah, I don't remember what this one is. Is that this? October Afternoon. I was just gonna say, I bet it's October Afternoon. Flower Garden, summertime. Yeah, I bet that's what this is. See, there's like a lot of usable stuff, and I have all this cardstock that I don't use, so I'm like, you know what? I need to just use up my little scraps, because all my scrap room kits that I have, I still have a lot of scrap room kits that I haven't even touched. Like, they are full kits, ready to go, haven't even touched them. And then there's this, and then there's this sticker sheet with these ones. this, and then there's this by itself, and then, oh my gosh, that's a mess. Okay. Well, this goes with these. See, there's a lot of fun stuff that goes, yeah, okay. Anyway, so I don't have to show you all of my chaos. But yeah, so that is my goal. I'm gonna work on this kind of stuff all month long, and I will be pulling out these kits. I might be mixing them, obviously. I'm hoping I can have them at least within arm's reach so I can grab them when I think of them and when I think of the colors, etc. I don't know how this is going to work. But yeah, my room's a mess, guys. My room's a mess. That's all I know. So I'm gonna leave you there. This is my chaotic pile. I don't even know if this stuff all goes together. I put card making material, so clearly this is just all scraps. Look at this. I have so much. There's just so much. I'm just gonna put all of this in this bag because those are all in bags themselves. So yeah. Yeah, I need to look at how cute. How am I not using this stuff? Yeah, I need to get this stuff worked on badly. So this is the chaos mess I have. Hopefully I will come up with some awesome things, and I can't wait to add my Creative Cuts kit with it as well, because that will also add a lot of awesome things. And yeah, we'll go from there. So bear with me. Let's chug through this and get it organized. Okay, thanks. Bye.